If I had to start all over today in 2025 with $0 and no experience, here's exactly how I'd build passive income from scratch, using only free tools, free platforms, and free knowledge. Let's go. Step 1. Learn one skill. The first thing I'd do, pick one skill that's in demand, like content repurposing, AI video editing, or YouTube thumbnails. Learn it for free on YouTube. No courses, no fluff. Just YouTube University. Step 2. Start a Faceless channel. Then I'd start a Faceless YouTube channel using free tools like ChatGPT for scripting and Pictory's free trial for video creation. Pick a niche like passive income, AI tools, or digital skills, and post 2-3 videos per week. Step 3. Post shorts on TikTok, IG, take those same videos and clip them into shorts. Upload to Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Free distribution, the more eyeballs, faster. Step 4. Add affiliate links. Start adding free affiliate links in your descriptions. Use programs from Canva, Gumroad, or Impact to earn commissions without needing your own product. Step 5. Build a routine. Do this consistently for 30 to 60 days. Track what performs. Double down on what works. That's how you build cash flow from scratch. You don't need money. You don't need followers. You just need consistency and smart tools. Follow for more real, faceless income strategies.